Well, hey everybody, backyard scrapping here. Got a little mail call to do right quick. This is from Man Mountain Metals, I believe formerly Man Mountain Link, and I think I know what it is. I've actually had it sitting here for about a week, but as normal, the hurrier I go, the behinder I get. So let's go ahead and cut into this booger and see what we got here. He said he was sending something, and it's always a nice little surprise. Alrighty, so let's see what we got going on here, guys. If I can get her open. I see some peanuts, and I see a kid on face. And that is zinc. That is pretty cool. And he sent me a mold like this, so I can make these as well, these cat faces. That is awesome. Ebony has been zincified. It's got his mark on it. It is number 13, so that will go on the 13 shelf. And that is awesome, my friend. Now we got to see here. Oh, he sent a bottle of Crown Royal. No, he didn't. Let's get these out of here. I know what this is, but I still can't wait to see it. A nice velvet bag. Get this stuff put back, get it out of the way. Get that out of the way. And here we go, guys. He has recently gotten into casting, and as far as I'm concerned, he's doing a hell of a good job. I mean, some of the things he's come up with I've been doing for years, and I would have never thought of doing that. So here we go, and there it is. Number 13, Buesmith skull casting. And that is freaking beautiful. Look at that thing. I think it's really cool too that he's doing all these different metals, because almost all of us, you know, I pour a different metal occasionally, but most of the time, you know, I'm either gold or silver or copper or something like that. And he's stretching out and diversifying and going into all these different kind of metals, which is really cool, because I mean, if you collect them, if you collect metals, it's not just all about gold and silver and, you know, and copper and whatever. I mean, there's all kind of casting metals out there, and that is something, brother. It's going on the 13 shelf with ebony. And I really appreciate it. That is nice. It is gorgeous. You did a wonderful job on it. And just keep plugging at it. You know, anybody who's out there, I'm going to put a link up here, or wherever it goes, up here somewhere, to Man Mountain Metals channel. Go check out some of his videos where he's pouring and casting these different types of metals. There will also be a link down in the description. And drop him a sub. I mean, he's well worth the watch. And he's got a great sense of humor. So, alrighty, guys. Buddy, I appreciate that more than you'll know. And everybody, like I said, go drop him a view and a sub. And we will see you guys in the next video.
I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.